Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Civil Engineering Learning and Job Notification. In this video I will show you how to calculate the quantity of marble, cement and sand in marble flooring. So who did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for more civil related videos and updates. So let's start. Now here at first we calculate the quantity of floor area, sill area and skirting. Here we see a plan of room 8 feet by 10 feet size. So now we calculate the floor area. For floor area we know the area is length into breadth. So 10 feet into 8 feet equal to 80 square feet. Now we calculate the sill area. So what is sill area? Sill area is below the door. This is the sill area. For sill area we need to calculate the width of the length of the door and thickness of this portion, that means wall portion. So 3 feet into 9 inch. Now we convert this 9 inch to feet. We know that 1 feet equal to 12 inch. So we divided 9 inch by 12. So this is 0.75 feet. Now we multiplied 3 into 0.75 feet equal to 2.25 square feet. Now we need to calculate skirting. For skirting area we need to calculate this all total length. So first 10 feet this wall and 8 feet this wall and also this 10 feet. So 10 feet plus 8 feet plus 10 feet, and for this short wall, 8 feet short wall, we deduct this door portion 3 feet. So this is 5 feet. So our total skirting area is 33 feet. Our total length of the area is 33 feet. Basically the skirting is 4 inch. So we multiplied with the length of this floor area 33 feet into 4 inch. We convert 4 inch into feet. So 33 feet into 0.33 feet equal to 10.89 square feet. Now we calculate the total marble required. Now we add this all areas, floor area, sill area plus cutting area. So it is the floor area, 2.25 is the sill area and 10.89 square feet is skirting area. So here our total required marble area is 93.14 square feet. Now we add 10% of wastage because during work some marble are waste. So 10% of marble we add 93 plus 93.14 plus 9.314. So our total marble required is 102.454 square feet. Now we calculate cement required for flooring. Here we use ratio of mortar 1:4 and thickness of mortar is 1.5 inch. Our total marble area is 102.46 square feet. Now we calculate the weight volume. For weight volume we multiply the total marble area into thickness of mortar 1.5 inch. Here we convert 1.5 inch into feet. So 102.46 into 0.125 feet. So here total weight volume is 12.8 cubic feet. Now we need to calculate the dry volume. For dry volume, we multiplied with 1.33. This 1.33 is the 33% increase in dry volume. So we multiply 12.8 into 1.33. Your total dry volume is 17 cubic feet. Now we calculate the cement. For cement calculations, here 1 is the ratio of cement and 5 is the total ratio, 1 plus 4 equal to 5 into 17 dry volume. So here our total cement is 3.4 cubic feet, and now we add 20% of extra for adhesive. For 3.4 into 0.20 means 20% equal to 0.68 cubic feet. So here our total cement is 3.4 plus 0.68 equal to 4.08 cubic feet. Now cement bag required. We know that volume of one cement bag equal to 1.225 cubic feet. So it's simple. Cement bag required is 4.08. It is the total cement divided by 1.225. This is the volume of one cement bag. So here we require 3.33 bags of cement. And now we calculate required sand. For sand equal to 4 by 5. This 4 is ratio of sand and 5 is total ratio into 17 is dry volume equal to 13.6 cubic feet. So we calculate all these things. So our total sand required is 13.6 cubic feet, and our total marble required is 102.454 square feet, and cement required is 4.08 cubic feet. So friends, if you like it, please share with your friends, and check my description box. I will give some civil related videos. Check those videos and subscribe my channel. Thank you.